She's bold. She's powerful. She's creative. Although she felt fear, she wanted more out of life, so she did it anyway.
Hi, I'm Jenny, and I am from Chicago, Illinois, and I am a dance fitness facilitator that I enjoy doing so much because I get to take care of myself and also help others. I got into this when I saw this pop up on Facebook. And this pop up was about a dance fitness mode, if you will. And I got so excited when I saw it because I thought, oh my goodness, I can dance, something that I've always done, and I can also exercise at the same time. And my goodness, it was a win win. I had to go for it. Now, I have to admit, when I saw this pop up on my Facebook page, I actually thought, really, Johnny, is this something you can do? I mean, look at the people who are doing this. And I guess I question myself because of the seasoned stage that I was in at the time and still am. And I decided, well, yes, I can do this. Something that I really felt passionate about taking care of myself, dancing, music. It was so inspiring. And the idea that I could help others also feel that passion and all, I had to do it. So I just decided to hop in. Okay, I love doing this so much because what is really inspiring is when I see the smiles of the participants' faces when I am dancing, when we're actually dancing, and to hear their stories about how this is helping them, and not just physically, but we're talking even emotionally. With so much going on in the world today, it's amazing how all of us know that we need something to keep us going. And what's beautiful about this is that we're talking about ladies of all ages. We're talking ladies of all sizes. We're talking about ladies of all ethnicities. And I know I've been saying ladies, but yes, there are gentlemen as well. Few but strong and mighty. Yes, there are gentlemen who also participate in this dance fitness. So I'm grateful that I am able, physically and mentally able, to provide this service at the same time, again, of helping myself. It's a really good feeling. For dance fitness, it's something very special because a lot of people do not like the idea of exercising, of doing squats, of using dumbbells, and all of those things. So how many of us can truthfully say that we don't like music? Let's start there. With dance fitness, you got music going. You got moving your body as the music inspires you. Just think about that, especially with the dance fitness mode that I have a tendency to really focus on. You get to really be yourself. You don't have to follow the leader. Think about that. You have that freedom of expressing yourself. So you don't have to worry about hurting yourself with gym equipment by having to look like someone else. You get to be yourself. And I mean, nothing could really beat that. And I'm finding that people love the idea of being themselves, of feeling better, especially during and after participating in one of the classes. It just doesn't get any better than that. So in this dance fitness that I focus on, what is really remarkable about it is that, first of all, it's not a follow the leader. We are connected rhythmically, right? We do steps that are pretty much close, the same, but you get to actually move your body as the music inspires you to move. So you don't have to move like I move. You don't have to move like your neighbor who's dancing beside you or on the screen with you. You don't have to move like them. You are totally free to be yourself at all times. You don't have to have rhythm. Imagine that. Nope, you don't. Again, this is one of those that you can't get it wrong. I am right there to help guide you. That is my function, to help guide you, to inspire you, to listen to your body and to move as, again, the music inspires you to move. It's all totally up to you. So if you think that I don't have rhythm, this is the dance fitness for you, my friend. Come on, you can do it. Now, with this dance fitness that I facilitate, tell you another good thing is that it's for all levels of mobility. So if you are in a wheelchair, if your leg is hurting you, if your knees are hurting you, and you find it that you need to sit, it's okay. Let me tell you, it's just so liberating. You actually get to dance with your arms and your upper body. And if there's any movement at all that's available to you in your legs and your feet, of course, I encourage you to do that as well. And I'm there the whole time, obviously, helping you to find those different areas that you can move and help you to become stronger and to help you become more functional with your daily activities and tasks. So there are no limitations in dance fitness, my friends. None at all. So if you are seated, to give you an example of when we talk about rhythm, that we are connected, if you will, in rhythm and dancing according to the essence of the music, how it inspires you. For instance, if I say to you, we're going to do a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, whereas usually people will be on the floor dancing with their feet, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So if you're sitting in a chair, you can achieve this too. And with that, you could go 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, and allow your body to flow as the music inspires you again. And it's all up to you. And remember that you can't get it wrong. And I'm going to encourage you to use different levels as far as using your arms to express yourselves. So above your head and down to your sides and across your body. There are so many things you can do. So now I'm going to demonstrate how it looks when you're dancing on the floor, okay? So actually, you can't quite see my feet, but actually you see my legs. So if we're doing a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and let's say it's Latin music. So we're talking lots of hips, right? So it may be a 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And I will not be counting. So you'll listen to the rhythm of the music and inspire yourself to move. Yes, as you're hearing it. There you go. You know, I have to share with you that I am so glad that I'm doing this now. I'm glad that I listened to my heart, because that is, I'd say, front and center in all of this. All of the attributes that are part of your heart, the love, the compassion, the determination. All of these items are just included in my everyday passion for what I do. And I'm so glad that I decided to go for it, because it inspires me to get up. It inspires me to wake up with a smile on my face. It inspires me to work hard, to pull together beautiful music, playlists, and what have you, and the movements that will really help not only my body, but will help my participants' bodies and the mind and the souls as well. I actually feel that this is a mission, and I am so grateful that I listened and I am going for it. And I just plan to take it even more places, to make it even bigger and better, and to continue studying so that I can bring the most beneficial movements and material to everyone I'm in contact with. It's a blessing. So, my friends, if you're thinking about something as far as what you want to do with your life and in your life, go for it, girl. Don't just sit there and think about it. Don't talk yourself out of it. No, go for it. I'm telling you, if you feel, you can tell that feeling that you have when you think about whatever it is you like to do. It is something that boils and just, inside your systems. If it's sewing, if it's knitting, if it's repair jobs, whatever it may be, just go for it. Don't talk yourself out of it. You'll be much better for it. emotionally, spiritually, physically, and you'll be helping others along the way. You really will, because you're doing something you love. So I just want to share with you, ladies, if there's something that is a burning desire that you have discovered to be your passion, go for it. Allow yourself to try it. Step out of your comfort zone. It's okay. If you really want it, you'll get it. You'll have it. So, no matter what that may be, no matter how small you think it is or how big you think it is, be it fitness, dancing, sewing, hairstyling, whatever it is, go for it, because you'll be doing yourself a lot of good. And it will really resonate with you physically, personally, emotionally, and all of those things. And you will inspire not only yourself, but others as well. So, in the end, I say to you, don't sit there and think about it. Put it into action. Get out of that comfort zone and just go for it.
She did that.